Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra sepi da ka singam beats aqua na molai moro ha ka jingdap sans nem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendai Lat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Loan So Po Shillong. One ban thiet ya ka kali Datsun Ready Go bathamai ka bas kem bat bidor.
Ka Joint Action Committee ka bakantup ya ka Jingïakhih Hills Trok Owner Association, ka Jingïakhih Hills Clinkers and Cement Association, lembat ka Meghalaya Truckers Union, ha ka hanyo trik unai weng arajar arpo kila Bteng biang da ka Jingïakhih ka baklembu usngi da ka bakhanglat ya ki trok kit daw bilat bat ki bakit depe ban lejbo ya ki mar ki mata jongki baladep kit na ki Karkhana penmi daw bilat. Kini ka Jingïakhih jong ka JAC kala jiar rengkat ru ba o menteri rang ba jong ka sorkar jela u konrad kongkal sangma lembat ki menteri sorkar kila hiar Shah East Jingïakhih Hills District. Kumban sukedew hang ni u Deputy Commissioner jong ka East Jingïakhih Hills District uba Karmalki ula penmi da ka hukum yaki bor penyat jong ki Karkhana baki dai ban pentrai kamno mardor yakador bathamai bala penmi da ka sorkar jela haka arpusanterik unailur arajar arpo kat banakal yang jong ki bor penyat ki Karkhana ru kila menjor ban seu yakador thamai bala penmi da ka sorkar jela tang hapo upot usam ka jela shaki wai ki jela haka Jingïakhih penbait bat u Deputy Commissioner ka JAC kala aipor tang hapo shipho beje menstep jong ka hanyo terik unai weng arajar arpo baki Karkhana ki dai ban pentrai kamno yakador baikit balabo da ka sorkar hanrai lem kumta ka JAC kamban se ban penlong biang da ka Jingïakhih ka Bteng kumta menta kasngi hadin balakut ka jingbo por bat hadin baki bor penyat jong ki Karkhana kimshim laban yala ka kular ka JAC kala penlong ya ka Jingïakhih da ka ba penpai ya ki Trok ki ba wan kit mar ki ba wan na ki Karkhana.
If you recall that these rates have not been changed in 2002, and from 2002 these rates have continued. That is the reason why the MDA government very strongly felt that these rates have to be reviewed, and it is this government that took this stand, and in the last 3 months, 6 months we have finally taken the decision to revise the rates. And now after revision of the rates there is a difference between the industries and the transporters, so it has not much to do with the government's decision. Government has done its part. We have gone ahead and we have notified it, and now there is a issue that is there building up between the industries and the transporters, which needs to be worked out. But we will do whatever we can from our side to resolve the issue. But as I said, the government's part has already been done from us, and it is this government that has taken this very important step to revise the rates almost after 18 years.